Tony, whichever. Hi, good morning.
Okay, yo, we out here shooting Phepha Abanye. Phepha Abanye. Phepha by Makhanj.
Stands out. Rinya got the show. Rinya go curator the show.
And who? Atmosblaq.
Hey man, we're shooting Phepha Abanye today. Yeah man, I feel like it's one of the songs that Afro-Tech need to look forward to actually. With my sister Makhanj, you know, say plazini.
Like this.
The people will dance.
For the vision, for the goals. No one has anything. No one has
Atmos, look at me. Look at me.
We are taking away yellow. No. The sun is setting. Makhanj, we came, we saw, we